Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the billing address on the Zara app using your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are on the app, make sure you are already logged into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this interface in the app. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Next up, you will see the profile section at the top. Tap on it. Here you will see all of your profile details. Now in order to change your billing addresses, here you can see the addresses option. Tap on it. Here I've already listed my address. You can modify the same existing address by tapping on three dot icon at the right. And here you will see the option to edit. Tap on it. Now you can modify your address. And once you fill in the details, tap on save button. And that's it. You've successfully changed your billing address on the Zara app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.